In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently insert a clickable link into your Canva document. This simple yet essential task not only makes your document interactive, but also directs readers or viewers to additional resources effortlessly. Whether you're creating a presentation, an infographic, or any other type of digital content in Canva, integrating links can provide significant value. Let's dive right into the process. Begin by opening your Canva document. You can do this by navigating to the Canva website and selecting the specific document you want to edit from your dashboard. Once your document is open and loaded, you'll want to identify the text or object within your document where you'd like to add the link. For today's example, let's assume you're working with text. Now, with your text ready, the next step is to type in the URL link directly within the text box. It's important to note that your link won't be clickable until you complete the following steps, so don't worry if the link doesn't immediately stand out. Once your text is highlighted, you'll notice a menu that appears at the top of the window with various options. Look for the three dots icon, which is often used to denote additional options in many software interfaces. Clicking on these dots will expand the menu, revealing more features. After clicking the three dots, go ahead and select the option labeled Link. This is where you'll input the URL you'd like to make clickable. Carefully type or paste your desired link into the provided field. Double-check the URL to ensure that it's correct. This step is crucial because even a minor typo can result in a broken link, redirecting your audience to an unintended page or failing to direct them anywhere at all. Once you've entered the URL, simply click Done. This action will solidify the link within your text or object. At this point, your link should be fully integrated into your document, transforming it from plain text into an interactive element that viewers can click on. To confirm that everything is functioning correctly, you can preview your document by clicking the Preview button or using the Present feature if you're working within a presentation format. Try clicking on the link to ensure it directs to the intended web page. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add clickable links to your Canva documents, enhancing your viewers' experience and providing them with easy access to further information. If you find this guide helpful, be sure to explore other features within Canva to make your documents as dynamic and engaging as possible. Remember, little tweaks like these can make a sizable difference in how your content is received. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this step-by-step guide made your design process smoother and more effective.